Okay, welcome back. Day 27, 30 days, 30 opals. I've got a pink opal here. I've got a little bit of a color bar right there on the top. So we're going to see if we can expose that and turn that into a nice little opal cab. It's not big, but it's pretty, I'm betting. We're going to find out. So here we go. It's not very deep, so there she be, starting to show up. Pretty. All right. That didn't take much to get to that bar, so. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a dop stick already. All right, clean up the back a little. Yep, okay. I'm gonna put that on a dop stick and then we'll be back. All right, we've got this all dopped up and ready to put the final shape to it. So let's go ahead and get started. this is all finished. Day 27. This is a nice pink opal. A couple days ago, day 21, I believe, one of my viewers pointed out I was talking about pink opals. It was this opal right here, and I misspoke, and I'm sorry about that. This is not a pink Spencer opal. This is a triplet. It has a pink flash in it. This is a pink opal, and if you can look on the top of this, you can see that there's a white opal below it, but this is a pink opal deposit on the very top. And hopefully that's coming through on the camera. I know sometimes the lights wash things out a little bit, but this is a pink opal. This one is. This is a triplet with a lot of pink flash. So anyway, I'm sorry about any confusion, and thanks, Joy, for pointing that out to me. I really appreciate it. As I'm going down this learning process, you guys will know there are lots of people that are experts in this field, and I'm just having a blast cutting these opals and trying to share with you guys some of the things that I've learned along the way. And anyway, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate the support and the comments that you guys leave me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Day 27 out of day 30. Thank you so much.